So hello, this is Jake Locklear, President and CEO of APM and APCom.
And I am Lori Labby. I am General Manager of Boiler Services for APCom.
So we wanted to spend a couple of minutes with you today. Exciting things have happened this week. We've had the APCom team in our Pasadena Training and Development Center, both the leadership team as well as the superintendents. I think it's been a fabulous week. I'm going to ask Lori to share a couple of things that she's heard this week from our team about some of the exciting things we have done.
So we've spent the better part of this week conducting some training with our superintendents and included our corporate staff as well, focused on our core values of safety, quality, and productivity, and acting with integrity. One of the overriding themes that's come out of this training this week was the ability to get the entire group together and begin to build that teamwork and the trust for this new team moving forward.
So Lori, you talked about the superintendents being excited to come together, to see each other face to face. Talk about some of the things they've shared with you about being able to have that camaraderie together.
So what's become very apparent is that they're very excited that this group of superintendents who all do the same thing in different areas of the country has been able to come together, meet the other folks that do what they do, and they have the ability now to have a network. So if Superintendent A is having an issue, he can call Superintendent B and ask, here's what I'm experiencing. What have you done in the past? Can you help me with this system issue? And I think that building that camaraderie is a very important thing to the future of our business.
And that's the vision we've had for this Training and Development Center, is a place where we can bring our top superintendents, our top core teams, our key professionals, our key men, bring them together, have them an opportunity for them to share best practices, to learn from each other, and to show the investment we're making in our team and in the leaders that we have on our job site so that we execute to the best of our ability in those core value topics that you discussed: safety, quality, productivity, and integrity. So Lori, we've brought in our superintendents this week, made an investment in training them and getting ready for the fall lodge season. We have another opportunity in August in Las Vegas. What excites you about that opportunity with our superintendents?
So what excites me about that opportunity is we are bringing together the APCom and the APM superintendents for some leadership training and some celebrations. And it's truly bringing together the APM plus APCom equals one total craft labor solution.
Lori talked about the fundamental aspects of who we are as a business: safety, quality, productivity, integrity, the core values we have. And we've talked many times, it begins and ends with safety. And a message we shared with the entire team on Tuesday: once this organization comes together as one team, now we're one team, we're responsible for about 10,000 employees a year. And if you add families and everybody else who rely on our employees, you're talking about 50,000 people a year that are relying on us to do our jobs well and to set up a framework for those 10,000 employees to come home safe, better than they were when they showed up to work for us. We take that responsibility very seriously.
Absolutely.
But we also are excited about the opportunity we have to influence an industry as well as make a difference in people's lives. So my ask for you is to continue to work through the change, embrace this as one team now, work hard, continue to communicate with each other about what we're doing, and have some excitement about this new one team, this one craft labor solution we have for GE and for our customers.